Whether you're a student, content creator, entrepreneur, or just curious, you'll want to bookmark these right now. First up, Perplexity. It's like ChatGPT, but with real-time web search and citations. Ask it anything, and it gives you smart, sourced answers, instantly. Great for research, fact-checking, and staying current. Want to create stunning AI images? Leonardo.ai gives you control over style, lighting, and more. It's like Midjourney, but with a faster, friendlier interface, and free tiers. Need a website fast? Gearbyte uses AI to build full websites in under 30 seconds. Just enter your business type, and it generates pages, design, and copy automatically. Mixo is your AI startup launcher. Describe your idea in one sentence, and it builds a landing page, product pitch, and email list. Perfect for testing startup ideas without coding. Finally, TLDV, which stands for Too Long, Didn't View. It records and summarizes Zoom or Google Meet calls using AI. Great for teens, students, or anyone who hates taking notes. These AI websites are changing how we work, build, and think. Try them out and save hours every week. Like and subscribe to Gearbyte Media for more weekly videos on AI tools and tech.